Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. I've got 3 tales to tell you. In my opinion, any time is a fantastic time to invest in cryptocurrency, but XRP holders have never had it better. Look at this story from the world of crypto. Binance Exchange's 2.8 billion XRP holdings are up over $100 million from the previous proof of reserves report. Let me not keep you in suspense any longer, guys. Just wanted to let you know this up front before we get into the nitty-gritty of the video. To me, this is a strong sign that Binance is anticipating a significant uptick in demand for XRP. That's fine with me. I will elaborate on my assumption that this is the case. To tell you the truth, I have no idea what else this may possibly refer to. There's also this headline in the Crypto Naive that's worth noting. According to Forbes, China has made a major strategic shift that could have an effect on the value of XRP. That's why I felt the need to comment on it briefly. I wonder if anyone is keeping count of how many times this has happened. How often does it appear in the news? If memory serves, China banned cryptocurrencies around 2 months before I entered the market in November 2017. It was in the news for at least 2 months before I invested, and it was a bull run before the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies dropped slightly. Later in the year, however, it clearly recovered and went on a tear, melting faces and making it a great time to be involved with cryptocurrency. But then, of course, there was, and even more recently than that, it was just China banning crypto. But, not just now. They must be gradually lifting the restriction. However, the point is, and you'll see as you go on, that it appears likely that XRP and other large-cap coins will be involved. The price level should rise in response to the large increase in demand. A Bitcoin's value may easily reach $30,000 or more, according to the Daily Huddle. If the emerging trend is sustained, a significant Bitcoin holder has said sentiment yes, that's right. This then is a discussion pertaining to whales. I adore seeing the whales splish-splash around like fish out of water. These animals are quite magnificent in appearance. But before we go any further, I should clarify that I have zero experience in the financial sector. I'm not here to give you money advice. And remember, you should never use anything I say as a reason to buy or sell something. I'm merely a hobbyist who finds fun in discussing cryptography in the form of YouTube videos. But only as a pastime and for recreation. XRP is currently trading around 61 cents, where it has remained for the better part of a week as I record this video. Please don't worry about seeing if you're driving or anything, but I thought I'd share anyhow. But here's a look at XRP's 24-hour chart on Live Coin Watch. I'm going to quickly switch between these 2 charts to emphasize that Bitcoin is the driving force behind the direction in which XRP's price has been moving. I'm simply pointing out that, if you're worried about XRP, these are the same exact charts, and it doesn't always tie up quite this much over shorter timescales. XRP is behaving in the same manner as before. It's following Bitcoin's lead, as it always has. In my opinion, Bitcoin's monetary value is going to increase exponentially, but it won't have nearly as big of a multiplier impact as coins with less money involved, which is why XRP is so exciting to me. Even if it has a huge market valuation, there won't be much money in it by 2023 standards. Not in the least bit does XRP. I see that as a window of opportunity. However, look at this. Also, it's great to see this because, to me, it clearly is Binance. They are making preparations for an upcoming event. The crypto basic Binance XRP reports that its holdings have increased by over 100 million, with the exchange now possessing 2.8 billion XRP. Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, has released an updated proof of reserves report, revealing the extent of the company's cryptocurrency holdings. According to the report, Binance has a net balance of about 2.8 billion XRP. Let me jump down a bit to show you the exact number. Nonetheless, let's take a moment to reflect on the fact that, as far as I'm aware, that's damn near 3% of the maximum possible supply of XRP. With a maximum supply of 100 billion and a current market cap of over $2.8 trillion, Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency by a wide margin. However, according to Nance's latest article, their clients are currently holding 2.7 billion XRP in various accounts. This may indicate that Binance has a higher quantity of XRP on hand than its customers. Therefore, XRP had a client net balance of roughly 103.5% of its total net balance, 103.5%, in the finance sector. By holding more XRP than its customers, Nance has demonstrated that it can ensure adequate liquidity and effectively manage its risk profile. Well, there you have it, folks. Keep it in mind. The sum of XRP owned by Nance that is not held by its clients. Why do they have bigger bags now? Perhaps for anticipated future interest? I mean, people, I really don't know. Is there another option that I've just not thought of? To be honest, I can't think of anything else right now. My bet is that you won't have any trouble getting cash there. Right? What do you think? Then, this is the official Forbes title for the content we've included here. The value of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Doge, Tron, Polygon, and Solana could soon be affected by a recent game-changing move by China. In fact, I'll skip right to the meat of the matter. It's down here, closer to the bottom. Because, really, all you need to know is that the government has issued licenses in Hong Kong so that we can get not just institutional investing, but also retail investing in China, which had historically stifled activity during bull runs. Is it amusing that when the bulls run, the commentators hear terrifying reports out of China? Well, things have taken a turn for the worst, perhaps undoing earlier judgments. And I know we're talking about Hong Kong in particular because China singles it out. Is this, however, only the beginning? How much more expansive will this become? They are guessing that this might have enormous consequences. I was hoping to get to this section below. It could have been this. It's probably in this area, so I'll simply say that. The above paragraphs will serve as my introduction. A global crypto crackdown earlier this year caused some of the largest US Bitcoin and crypto companies to scramble to find new homes, prompting Hong Kong to reveal its new crypto licensing scheme aimed at helping the city become a global Bitcoin crypto powerhouse. Fear among investors and a precipitous decline in cryptocurrency prices were both triggered by China's 2021 crackdown on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, which aimed to remove crypto businesses and so-called miners that maintained blockchain networks. The potential reopening of China to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies has been cited as a possible catalyst for the next price increase. Boom. That settles it. There are a lot more people doing it now, but it's still a thing. I can't say for sure if it will be the final spark that sets this off. In any case, it's another bright side. Let me just say that if you've been paying attention, a lot of things have fallen into place recently. I am aware that many people are dissatisfied with the current XRP price. Because of the decision, it is now more prominent than it would have been before. But seriously, just keep track of everything that's happening. Don't assume that another euphoric crypto bull run is around the corner and that XRP will be able to participate in it without restrictions this time. And by then, it will be so hot that it might melt a person's face if it tried. With all this in BlackRock, this net, and the whales making a lot of watery noises, it seems unlikely that anything else could be found. The future seems bright for a variety of reasons. That seems to be the case. To me. Despite huge drawbacks, which I have personally seen, I believe the crypto asset class grows substantially over time. We all know that I was around when XRP was worth around 11 cents. When it dropped so low, I got quite excited. I had to buy more because I kept hitting rock bottom. But it's okay because I only paid 15 cents for it. Sweet. Remember, I started doing dollar cost averaging around about 55 cents in the middle of 2018. Now consider the XRP. Then I found out that it had dropped from 55 cents to only 10 or 11 cents in value. Almost all of its worth has vanished. And I feel fantastic. Furthermore, I made purchases for as little as 15 cents. It's simply your everyday retail speculator. The problem is that they will never understand. But you'll figure things out. You seem really interested. Just pointing out that the ordinary gambler never makes the same bet twice. The latest news from the daily meeting is below. I think this is fantastic. Sacrament is so fascinating to me. Sincere Stoicism, their work on supply chain analytics is fantastic. I am a man of reason and reasoning. Furthermore, I find it really interesting whenever they release raw data on chain analytics. But I'm always interested in the antics of the whales, as they don't act like the normal dumb retail speculators in the real world. That's fantastic, and I certainly have nothing bad to say about naive retail speculators. Therefore, they are, in my opinion, highly valuable fools. That's quite the praise. Don't take it the wrong way. The simultaneous behavior of the whales, though, is fascinating. It'd be wonderful if the text looked like this. It's possible that the crypto king may break the $30,000 barrier in the near future. Assuming that key holders keep trading stable coins for Bitcoin based on sentiment, new data from the Market and Intelligence platform shows that Bitcoin whales are beginning to trade their stable coins for the king crypto asset, reducing their Bitcoin stashes after months of decrease. Santiment elaborates by saying that Bitcoin sharks have begun stockpiling the leading cryptocurrency, saying, quote, "After a month of whales mildly reducing their Bitcoin bags, we've witnessed some switching of their stable money for additional Bitcoin. If this pattern keeps up, we may see prices quickly rise to $30,000. Also, I'll mention that the current price of one Bitcoin is $29,228. Both Bitcoin and XRP have been on a downward trend over the past few weeks. This is not a rebalancing of XRP, rather, it is just following the lead of Bitcoin, as it has done in the past. It's just more expensive than it would have been if the SEC case against Ripple hadn't been resolved to everyone's satisfaction. I've been saying this for a while, but the evidence has only come to light in the past few weeks. When XRP's price is released after being repressed for 2.5 years, it does not immediately return to its previous level. For 2.5 years, the asset purchase at the SEC caused significant price damage. For this reason, please be patient. Okay. However, it continues to act in the same manner. You'd also be interested in seeing the evidence that it tracks alongside Bitcoin. I still do it, don't you mean? Well, I think that when the market matures more, these different cryptocurrencies will be held to standards based on what they are actually accomplishing in terms of solving problems for individuals and businesses. That's not happening to the same extent today, but I attribute that to the market's immaturity. This is how I've felt since 2017, nothing has changed. It makes no sense for me to feel otherwise. The crypto analytics report that traders have been exchanging Bitcoin at a loss and that Bitcoin address activity is at a record high. August saw the highest level of Bitcoin address activity in the past 3.5 months, suggesting that the cryptocurrency is set to see a short-term price rise. One of the reasons I indicated at the beginning of the video that now is a fantastic time to be involved in cryptocurrencies is because of the utility increase and big loss transactions and negative attitude that have occurred recently. To be honest, now is a great time to own XRP. I can't wait to see what happens to XRP now that the ambiguity around its legal status has been cleared up. Now that it's free, we can watch it in action at the next hard split in which XRP coin is present. There's simply no explanation for why XRP didn't hit a new all-time high in 2020 or 2021. Had the legal cloud not been lifted, it would have been accepted without question. What can I say? But I think I'll end my commentary here. No, I don't give out financial advice. Nothing I say should influence your buying or selling decisions. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.